Mingguang OSB and MDF Machinery Equipment Manufacturer Company Limited, located in Shaogezhuang Industrial Zone, Yitan Town, Nanshan District, Lizzy City. The city has a strong foundation for the artificial panel industry and strong innovation capabilities. It is the leading manufacturer of artificial panel machinery and equipment. The important production base is 30 kilometers away from Lizzy Airport. Mingguang Company provides a complete set of process design, electrical design, and manufacturing. We can provide one-stop complete factory solutions for wood-based panel customers. Product series: Mingguang product series include medium-density fiberboard (MDF), high-density fiberboard (HDF), particle board (PB), oriented strain board (OSB), maneuverable super strong particle board (LSB), multi-layer heat press production line, double-sided fixed thickness broadband sanding machine, gauge saw, mechanical painting machine, airflow painting machine, channel dryer, super screen, post-processing system, artificial panel cooling system, turning machine, stacker, storage and transportation trolley, etc. For artificial panel equipment, mainly involved in particle board, medium density fiberboard, oriented strain board, multi-layer plywood machinery. In order to providing a complete new brand production line, Mingguang is a leading manufacturer of regulating glue and glue mixing systems. It has created many glue blending technologies and promoted them worldwide. And is also a supplier of innovative online and laboratory quality control equipment. Mingguang has become a leader in the field of precision wood-based panel machinery manufacturing. Through its extensive production planning solutions, it is able to produce high-quality particle boards, fiber boards, and oriented strain boards, and provides preparation area equipment such as peeling machines, clip roller screens, chip dry cleaning machines, and super crushers, machines, waste wood cleaning towers, wood shaving super screens, winnowing machines, paving machines, biomass fuel fields, and turnkey projects for the whole plant of artificial panels. Mingguang supplies equipment including branch material loading devices, drum chippers, long width chippers, ring chippers, milling machines, hammer crushers, and other complete artificial panel preparation section suppliers. The high-capacity particle super chip machine has unique advantages in the global particle board field. The development of the Mingguang system proves that Industry 4.0 has come to the field of artificial boards. Mingguang has a professional artificial panel technology team. Our technical team has rich and professional artificial panel technology and equipment integration capabilities. It can continuously upgrade and improve existing technologies, continue to research on the development of new product technologies, and can provide customers or provided with one-stop factory solutions.